Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone is surviving well. So last week I came at you with a challenge, one that I gave to myself. I was hoping that I could walk into Walmart and find a full EDC for $10 or less. And now I did fail at it. I didn't fail at it miserably. I only blew my budget by $1.88, but I think I came up with some phenomenal items that maybe I had to take liberty on some. I think they were still solid gear, and I still to this day I'm very happy with what I picked. And as you can see right here, I spent $11.88 last week, and that's not including tax. But this week I decided to do the same thing and go to Harbor Freight, see if I could come up with a full EDC for $10 or less. And I'll tell you right now, I had mixed results, and I'm not very excited about this haul. But let me know down in the comments what you think. Maybe I'm just being hard on myself. Maybe these are some good items. But let me know down in the comments which haul you liked better. So anyways, let's get started on this one. This one here, I spent $10.95, not including tax, and I am short one item, and that item is going to be the notebook. I can't believe for the life of me I could not find a single piece of paper in Harbor Freight aside from the receipt paper here. So that is the item I'm short, and I did come up less than last week's, but I came up with one item less than last week's as well. So first item we're going to take a look at is the microfiber cleaning cloths. Last week I had a handkerchief, and to act as my hank this week is going to be a microfiber cleaning cloth, and not all that excited about it. I could have bought some shop towels, but those were alone would have far exceeded my budget. No other item that I could find that would take this place at Harbor Freight. I spent $3.99. This is the most expensive item on the receipt here. So next item, and I'm not extremely excited about this one either. I cannot believe I cannot find a single lighter at Harbor Freight. So I needed a fire starter, a source of fire. And this is what I came up with, a magnesium fire starter. Now, I did want one of these for a while, and this is not going to go to waste, but this is what I found for a fire starter at Harbor Freight. Now, if you want to light a cigarette or a birthday candle, it's going to be a little difficult using this. Maybe you have to start a fire and use that fire to actually light those items. Maybe you have a different option, but this is all I could find. And I spent a whopping $1.69. Not too bad on that. Dollar for dollar, this has got to be the best value item at Harbor Freight. It's a 2-pack of permanent markers, clog-free Jobsite markers. As you can see, I have purchased them before, and I love them. I'm carrying one right now. And dollar for dollar, 99 cents for 2-pack. And it comes with a pocket clip, anti-roll body design, and it says that you can leave it capless for 144 hours. Now, I haven't tried it for the full 6 days, but I've come close, and that is a valid statement. It writes on most materials. Writes on wood, concrete, tape, brick, just about anything you can think of. And again, dollar for dollar, probably the best value you find at Harbor Freight. Next item, and one that I had to take quite some liberties on. This is the cheapest flashlight or light I could find at Harbor Freight, $1.99. And I'm not quite sure if you'd want to EDC something like this, but it works. It comes with a battery, has a magnetic back, 3 modes, has high, low, and strobe. Comes with a carabiner, and not a bad flashlight. I would not thumb my nose up at it, but not one that I think I would really want EDC in my pocket. Maybe put on my keychain. That would actually be probably a better option. So the more I see this, the more I talk about it, the better I feel about it. And these are the garbage that comes with it. So last but not least, the knife. And there were utility knives, 2 of them, and I chose this one. This was the cheaper one. Plus, I feel like this was the better option. I paid $2.29 for this one here. Now you could get the other one that you had to replace the blades, but you also needed a secondary tool to replace those blades. This one right here, you could just snap that blade off on those perforated edges and have a new cutting edge. So this is the Gordon Snap Blade Utility Knife, $2.29, and not a bad item, and one that I don't think I would mind too much carrying. So overall, I spent $10.95, not including tax, for one less item than last week. I didn't get the notebook, as I previously stated. So let me know down in the comments which haul you prefer. I will leave, again, that link up in the corner for you to take a look at the other video, and you can be the judge. And I had so much fun. I think I'm going to do this again next week with another store, so stay tuned. So this is my Harbor Freight attempted $10 EDC, full EDC haul. And again, I failed. I did not get all the items, and I exceeded my budget by 95 cents. So anyways, if you want to help support this channel, the best thing you can do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment down below, and if you see it, hit that hype button. Whatever you want to do, I greatly appreciate, but I appreciate most of all you stopping in and checking out this video. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I'll see you next time.
Alarm clock biting through the room, cold floor, I still half tuned. Coffee ring on a brand new plan. One more shot, one more stand. I take the hit, I take the heat, I turn the dragon to a beat. One deep breath, then I rise with a fire in my eyes. Surviving the daily, yeah, I'm still here. Surviving the daily, loud and clear. Beat by beat, I break through. Day by day, I push on through. Surviving the daily, that's what I do. Inbox full and the phone won't sleep. Bills in a pile, but I keep. Name on the board, foot on the line. I show up hard, one day at a time. I take the hit, I take the heat, I turn the dragon to a beat. One deep breath, then I rise with a fire in my eyes. Surviving the daily, yeah, I'm still here. Surviving the daily, loud and clear. Beat by beat, I break through. Day by day, I push on through. Surviving the daily, that's what I do. When the weight comes down and it pulls me low, I plant my feet, I don't let go.